Early Excellence are delighted to be working in partnership with Ofsted once again this autumn term for our key national briefing events. At each session, we'll be welcoming a senior HMI from Ofsted to share with us a presentation around the new framework, the implications for schools, thinking about that focus on curriculum design and the other priorities. There's also going to be the opportunity for you to ask questions and to debate the issues. We know it's going to be a pivotal year for the EYFS once again. We've got the baseline pilot starting this autumn, and over the rest of the year we're going to be looking at the learning goals changing, development matters and the profile too. It's absolutely key that we in school know what's happening and what we need to be thinking about. At the sessions, the Senior Early Excellence team will be sharing with you our perspective, our overview, and giving you the time to reflect on those implications and what they mean for you.